Hey everybody, it's a cold rainy day here again in Pennsylvania. I'm going to use the BlackStone grill today to make myself some cheesesteaks. Because I was unboxing that Bose Wave radio on my other channel and Sean saw it and he saw this grill in the background when I was talking about what I was eating. He said make some cheesesteaks on that BlackStone. Alright, well it's cold, it's like 49 degrees. Let me fire this up. This is a 22-inch tabletop model, but you can get the full size. But I don't have much room on my deck. There we go. There we go. Let it warm up. I got some chip steak inside, some onions, mushrooms, peppers. Oh. Too bad, huh? We couldn't wait for spring. We got this gloomy weather. Well, I don't mind the rain, but I gotta cut the grass, you know? Let me go get my stuff. See that BlackStone? That's nice, ain't it? You like it. Getting hot quick, which I like. It's pretty well seasoned, but I'm gonna put a little vegetable oil on there and get it started. You know what I mean? Oh, this is gonna be good. Alright, I got all my fixings out here. I like to use steakums. I like them. You can buy the regular chip steak from the butcher, but it's a lot more expensive. And I like these. It's okay. I always like these. This is 1 pound and 5 ounces. I'm gonna make them all up. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Then I got some onion, yellow sweet pepper, and some mushrooms. I'll put them on the other side. Let this cool down a little bit. What am I doing here? Where's my spatula? I need a bigger one. Let's put the onions down there. Get the sizzle going up. Yellow peppers, some mushrooms. I'm gonna add some more. Get them going. Start cooking that meat. You like it so far? Ooh, I'll just break these in half. A little more in there. Yeah, that's it. That's what we like. A little more in there. Chip steak. Mini steak, steakums, whatever you want to call it. Got some fresh rolls in there. Hey, get over there. Get over there. Don't want that to happen. Calm down now. Calm down a little bit. Where's my tool? Jewel. It's gonna fry up quick. I didn't put all the mushrooms because I want some fried and I want some fresh. And the same with the onion. I guarantee. I got some steak sauce. You put that back there. Let it get warm. Like that idea? I like that idea. Then I got some cheese inside too. I didn't tell you that yet. I got some American cheese. You can put whatever kind of cheese you like on here. Where's my heat at? I got down on low. I'll put on medium. Medium. I could do this all day. This could be my job. What do you think? Is this a good job? I like this for a job. I thought we had company. All right, back in a couple minutes. Chip the chop steak, chop the chip steak. Keep it going. You love it. You know you want some of this. All right, getting there. Got some rolls coming out. Well, that sauce bubbled up quick. Look at that sauce. Alright, we can take that off of there now, maybe, huh? Nice and warm. Handy BlackStone grill. Love it. Sizzle mean. Sizzle mean. More onion, please. Where'd I put them onions? Oh, here they are. Oh, good. Alright, more peppers. I'm not having the peppers. I might get a couple on mine, but Kathy wanted them. I thought I was going to save them mushrooms, but I like them fried up. Put it all in there. The party. Yes. Whew. Perfect. Didn't take long at all, did it? It's hot. What's wrong with you? It's hot. Got a convenient drain hole in the back there. All your grease goes out. Nice. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna have to eat this up soon. I know you want some too. I could have put more onions on there and more mushrooms. Get about 3 out of here. 3 nice size sandwiches. What do you think? I got some cheese around here somewhere. Oh, I'll put my bun on there too. Toast it up. I'll put the cheese on first. I'm all beside myself. There we go. 2. We're going to get 2 out of it. We'll get 3 out of it. It's gonna be so good. Oh boy, I can't wait. I'm sorry. It cooked quicker than I thought. And bone down. Put that bone down. Toast it up a little bit. And that cheese melting away. Sauce bubbling up. Nothing like it. Scrumptious on the BlackStone. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix mine up because it got done so quick, and I'm glad. But I was gonna try to wait and eat with Kathy, but she should be here in a minute. Let me put my mushrooms and onions on top of the cheese. Get my toasty roll out. See that? Oh yes. The bird wants some. Hang on, I'll show you. Let me turn that heat down a little bit. There's enough for 2 more on here. Oh. Put that down. gotta take a bite for you. That's my homemade cheesesteak in the rain. I'm glad I got this covered deck. I love it. Love eating out here in the rain on spring and summer days. But I do gotta cut the grass, you know. Let's make the best of it. Let's do that Philly cheesesteak lean. Get a grip. Get a grip, boy. This is so delicious. Make yourself some of these. Sorry, there ain't none left. Woo. Cookie bun, throw on top of there. This is so cheesy and mushroomy and onion. They're delicious. Thanks for watching me cook cheesesteak on my BlackStone grill. Thanks for suggesting that, Sean. Go make yourself one. I'm gonna eat another one before she gets here. All right, everybody, please subscribe. Stop back soon. Maybe we'll cut the grass tomorrow. Yum, yum, eat them up.